HC Verma Solutions, chapter number 3, Rest and Motion, Kinematics, question number 37. A person standing on the top of the cliff, 171 feet height, has to throw a packet to his friend standing on the ground 228 feet horizontally away. If he throws the packet directly, aiming at the friend with a speed of 15 feet per second, how short will the packet fall? Here in this question, what is given? A person who is standing on the cliff, he throws a packet directly onto the friend. But what happens here if the packet thrown directly onto the friend, but it does not follow that path? Due to gravity, it is follow this particular path. So that means horizontal projection like this. Then what happens here? If follows this particular path, how much amount of distance short to the person, that we want to calculate here. But actually the distance between cliff to the person who is present on the ground, that is 228 feet. So here which one we want to calculate here? How much amount of distance short by the packet fall on the ground to the person on the ground. So here to calculate this one, first of all we will calculate the angle here. So that means if I will write the angle like this is the theta. So I will take like this. I forms one right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees and this is theta. So then opposite side 171 and here adjacent side 228. Here I want to calculate the angle theta here. So that's why here tan theta is equal to 171 divided by 228. Here 57 3s are 57 4s are. So that means what happens here? This side is 3 and this side is 4. So that means 3 4 and here forms 5 Pythagorean triplet. So from this I want to calculate sin theta and cos theta. Why? Because this u 15 feet per second split into two components, u cos theta and u sin theta. So that's why I will write from this one sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 and cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Now which one we want to calculate here? This distance is required. That means how much amount of shot that is required. So to calculate this one, first of all the body travels this particular distance from here to here. This is nothing but range. To calculate this range, which one is required? Horizontal velocity already we know. Which one required? Time required. To calculate the time, we are having the equation. Which equation that is? Here from this equation, S is equal to ut plus half at square. So apply this equation for this problem. That is h is equal to u. It is coming in the downward direction, so that's why acting with g, u sin theta component. So that means u sin theta plus half into g into t square. That means u sin theta into t. So here height, how much here? 171 is equal to velocity 15 into sin theta into t plus half 32 into t square. Now here what happens? 171 is equal to 15 into sin theta value, how much here? 3 by 5 plus, so 3 by 5 into t plus 16 t square. So here 5 3s are. So that means 171 is equal to 90 plus 16 t square. So that means 16 t square plus 90 minus 171 is equal to 0. On solving this one, we will get the value t is equal to 3 seconds. So after calculating the t equal to 3 seconds, that means time taken to reach the packet to this particular distance. So that's why that is t is equal to 3 seconds. But here which one we want to calculate here? Range required. Range r is equal to, that is horizontal velocity, how much? U cos theta. It remains constant throughout the path. So into time. So that means u how much here? 15. Cos theta how much here? 4 by 5. Into time how much we calculated here? 3. So that means 5 3s are 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 feet. This is the 36 feet from here to here distance. 36 feet. But which one we want to calculate here? X required. So that means shortest path, that is X is equal to how much distance from here to here? 228 feet minus 36 feet. So on subtracting this one, 228 minus 36. 8 minus 6 how much here? 2. So here 12 minus 3 how much here? 9. So then here 192 feet. This is the solution for question number 37.